Looks a little bit better now, doesn't it? Now, I'm not doing this as a full restoration because then I would be taking everything apart and cleaning everything, painting, all that stuff. But no, just cosmetics for my own personal benefit. And you can see the flywheel turned out pretty good. It's all there. One thing that, well, you can see it's a lot cleaner than it was, but in fact, even though this was white at some point, this will never be white again. It's just been, well, let's just say that the oil and grit is fused to the paint. But excuse me, what I thought I would do is see if I can get a spark. I've now taken this, put it back together, put on a I just use a piece of a cardboard. Usually works out great. I don't remember the exact settings, but I'll get back to that. But anyways, yeah. So I have the original spark plug here. Just going to put that into the cap. Make sure it's grounded, and I'm going to try and zoom in. If my camera would. And see if I can get a spark and pick it up on camera. Like so. I'm going to just use my drill and see if I can get some spark with that. Now, trying to see if I can get some spark, making sure it's in run position, make so that it's not grounded out. And I'm just going to use my drill, put it on the flywheel and see if I can get a spark, and I hope we can show up on the camera here. Should show up pretty well, and you can see it's got great spark now. So now all I have to do is wait for my spring. Should be here tomorrow if everything's been done. Sometimes postal services in Norway is rubbish, but we'll see. And when I do that, we'll have a first start on this thing. So thank you guys for sticking with it, and let's see if we can have a running saw by tomorrow.